Hi, Matthew.
Hey,
So today, what are we going to do? Can you please explain?
so we're going to make something like wrap fruit roll-ups around this grape and stick this in
And then,
and put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. We take it out and eat it.
okay. So, what are the things that we need? So, we've ordered the fruit roll-ups from Amazon, and
Toothpicks
this is how it looks like. Yeah, when you open, and then I think this is like almost a square, isn't it?
and we got the grapes.
Yeah,
We
and then.
stick it in.
Yeah, and then this is how it looks like, the roll-ups. I just cut them and make them into like a square shape. Yeah, and then we're going to roll our grapes now. Okay. I think. Oh! Oh my gosh. I think this is big. Oh no. I think we need. Oh no. It's a very tiny one. Get another grapes, and then I'm going to roll it. Oh, oh no, I think. Does it work? Oh, this is better, isn't it? Okay, and then we have another one. Okay,
Going.
okay, I'm getting one, and then we just need to roll on the grapes. Okay, so that's how it looks like. It's not perfect, guys, but it's okay. This is our first try, so maybe the next one will be better. Who knows? I tried to stretch it, but I don't know. I think it's not good if you're going to stretch it. Yeah. It's like a fruit tanghulo, but fruit tanghulo is actually more messy, isn't it? Because it's sugar. This one, you just need to, just like you're wrapping. You wrap it. I think it's not enough. It's basically everywhere. I think I need to have a bigger one for this.
I'm done.
Okay, so it's Matthew who's doing the wrapping at the moment. No, not yet, Matthew. We need to wrap everything. So you get the other two grapes left. The other two grapes, and then wrap them all. Okay. Do you think you can stretch that roll-ups? Yeah. Matthew is trying his best. No, 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 no. So we don't put that one. You can eat it now. Yummy. Now it's the last one. Can you wrap it? Oops. Well done. Well done for trying. Okay, not the perfect, but so I'm going to put this one now. Yep. 3. Can you eat them all, Matthew? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we actually made 8, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer.
So guys, I got the fruit roll-ups and with the grape. I had them in the fridge for 1 hour, 10 minutes, so I'm gonna take a bite of it.
Wow, it's crunchy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how was it? Did you prefer this fruit roll-ups or the fruit tanghulo?
Fruit roll-ups.
Yeah? Why is that? It's because,
Toast of crunch.
and it's less messy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to do it again? We still have some in there, isn't it? Yeah. So which fruit are you going to try next time?
Apple.
Apple?
Yeah.
Okay then. Say bye now.
Bye.
Bye.